Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Python based video today, and I'm going to be testing my new whiteboard marker, which is supported for OBS. So I'm just going to see how it goes under a load. Well, it's not a true load, but it's just going to be a video that I've been playing here. So I'm just going to open it up fully now. And if I hit my toggle key, it should. Yep, okay, there it is. So I've just drawn a circle on my base on the minimap there. I'm just going to just scribble around and just see. Okay, so I do have a frame rate drop. So I'm loading it down probably just by all the positional data. I'm just kind of like rendering on the display. I'm using OpenCV to draw it all. So I think I just need to make that part a bit more efficient. But for small like little drawings like this, okay, so it has minimal impact. That's something I can work on. So I'm thinking maybe if I, instead of having to render it all the time, I might just paste an overlay on top. That way I'm not draining my CPU with OpenCV lines. But that's something to think about. But yeah, I thought I'd just come on and test it, and I want to use this stuff. When I'm making future videos, I can just draw it whilst I'm playing because I people can't really see the mouse. And I looked on online forums, and a lot of people ask, "Oh, how can you draw things while running OBS?" And I just thought, well, look, I might as well just make something because I have the skills to do it. So why not? For version Well, I wouldn't call it version 1 yet because I don't like that frame rate drop. That's gonna cause a problem in future videos or anything I do. So that's something I'm gonna work on and fix up. And once I get it into good working order, I might release an open source version of this. But for now, it's just in development, and I thought I'd just show what I've been up to as well. All right, happy weekend, everybody. Cheers. Bye.